Hello everyone, ¿cómo es? So, spring is the season of rebirth and renewal. And not only is this a great time to declutter your space, it's also a great time to switch up your skincare products. I know for me, during the winter months, I use super thick creams to prevent my skin from getting crazy dry, but since the weather's warming up now, I can switch to something that's still moisturizing, yet lightweight. My routine itself doesn't change. At night, I use an oil to break up my eye makeup, and then I wipe with a damp cotton pad or a makeup removing wipe, whichever is available to me, and that's going to help get the bulk of my makeup off. Then I get to the nitty-gritty of my routine by first cleansing my skin. Currently, I'm using the Farm Spirit Beauty Cleanser, which helps to clear the remainder of the makeup off my face, and it also nourishes my skin without it making it feel super dry. This cleanser has lavender, rose hips, cucumber, chamomile, and pear. Once I'm done with cleansing, I tone my skin, and that's going to help remove any remaining bits of oil, dirt, and debris that's left behind by the cleanser. I follow up with my vitamin C serum that contains both hyaluronic acid and vitamin E. I really love the consistency of this serum. It kind of has a slimy, silky feel, and my skin just sops it all up once I've applied it. I wait for the serum to completely dry before applying my moisturizer, and the moisturizer also contains hyaluronic acid and vitamin C, so I just take 1 to 2 pumps of that and massage it onto my skin for full absorption. What's great about Farm Spirit Beauty products is that they're natural and locally sourced. Their products are paraben-free and safe for sensitive skin folks also. They use the pears from their orchard, and that's that special ingredient in their farm-to-table skincare products, and I honestly feel good knowing that the products that are going onto my skin are just as good as the foods going into my body. That's all for this video today. I really hope you liked it, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up. Definitely check out Farm Spirit Beauty. I'll be sure to leave their links in the description box. Subscribe if you haven't done so already, and comment down below and let me know what your skincare routine is for the spring season. As always, I want to thank you all so much for watching and supporting and subscribing to my channel, and I will see you all in the next one. Peace out.